It's my feel-good breakfast show.
Oh, it's your feel-good breakfast show, and it is a Friday. It might have snuck up on you, but it is here, and we're keeping you entertained, and we've got our finger on the pulse in terms of trending stories. So get ready to be in all of your feels this morning with our next story. Now, South African TikToker Johan Devanir has garnered almost 100 million views on videos of his parrot babies.
Yeah, we can call them bebes. From
bebe.
goodnight kisses to bath time and even movie nights. Yep, movie nights. South Africans have been eating it all up, and with good reason. Let's take a little look at some of the ridiculously cute videos. Enjoy.
Well, we'll give you some context. Every morning, Johan actually wakes up and makes sure that each of his bebes feel loved. Take a look.
Right here, mate. Attack here, mate. Line. Valentine. Line. Kai. Jackie. Hunter. And Chris. Hello, my babies. I love you too, my babies. I love you too, my babies.
I could just picture these parrots when they're ready to talk, like, bebes.
Oh, man, how cute. But it's the way that they want and are waiting for the love. It's just incredible. So Johan takes his role as Parrot Daddy clearly very seriously and feeds his macaw babies and has done since birth. This is how he does it.
Chris. Oh, so lekker, Chris. Kijk de Terminator.
Vibes.
They are so tiny.
They are hilarious. They look like little dinosaurs.
Oh.
Incredible.
Well, we are taking you through all of Johan's videos because
good.
when it comes to bath time, it's one of Johan's best times with his little babies. Now, here is a little bit of a splish and a splash of the babies. So let's get a look at their bath time.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Yeah. Rubbed up, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. Well, I stepped out the tub and put my feet on the floor. I wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door. And then a splish splash, I jumped back in the bath. Well, how was I to know there was a party going on? There was a splishing and a splash, reeling with the feeling, moving and a grooving, rocking and a rolling. Hey, yeah! Big bang, I saw the whole gang dancing on my living room rug. Yeah, flip-flop, they was doing the bop. All the
That is so special.
Is this a real thing that we're watching here? Johan, you're insane, dude. This is just the sweetest, most wholesome thing I think we've ever seen on the show. So to end off a day, Johan goes to bed. But first, a little bedtime story for the babies.
Once upon a time, there was a little girl who lived in a village near the forest. Whenever she went out, the little girl wore a red cloak.
No. It looks like that's where they sleep.
Yeah,
they are so
100%.
comfortable.
You don't understand, and these animals are so intelligent. I'm telling you, one of those parrots is going to go on to become a doctor or an engineer or something with an upbringing like that. We are here for the love, and we absolutely love that. All the feel-good feels that I think we could squeeze into 3 minutes. Absolutely amazing.
Definitely. Johan, thank you for entertaining us and allowing us to look at those videos and get those feel-good feels. And of course, if you perhaps have some of your favorite TikTok content creators that you would love us to see, please tag us. And of course, you can follow us at Expresso Show on TikTok. And who knows, we could be featuring your videos next for our What's Trending on TikTok segments.